We normally have in excess of 40 vehicles on display at any one time, and they range from powerboats to motorcycles to go-karts, drag racing cars. We represent all forms of motorsports here, so we try to keep a little sampling of everything. The length of time that they stay varies on the collector or the other museums we get them from. It could range from 6 months to a year to 2 years. We do have several that are on loan, but they're on permanent display. So they'll be here as long as we like them here. We have separate display cases that hold artifacts pertaining to each category. Helmets, racing suits, shoes, trophies. We have hundreds and hundreds on display at all time, which we rotate out, try to keep the inventory fresh so the guests have something new to see every time they come. Maintenance on the vehicles is a daily ritual. Our volunteer docents, they know which cars to address daily. They dust the cars. We use a full line of Malco products, whether it be spray wax, tire dressing, windshield cleaner. And we've been using that for a while now, and they just work beautifully on everything we have. But it's a daily ritual, so we'll do the cars, and then we'll do the display cases. That's both inside and outside. The dust builds up. My favorite exhibit out of all the vehicles we have is the Challenger 1, the Mickey Thompson Challenger 1 that he built in the 60s. It's a Bonneville car, 4-engine car. I just love the engineering that went into it, technology way ahead of its time. And we have that on permanent display here by his son, Danny Thompson. Has lent us that car, and it's a very, very popular exhibit.